Welcome to Additional Mathematics Form 4, the Content Standards of 10.2 Composite Index and the Learning Standards of 10.2.1 Determine and Interpret Composite Index with and without the weightage, and 10.2.2 Solve problems involving index numbers and composite index. First of all, let's have a look at the formula for the composite index. The formula of the composite index will be the summation of the product of the price index or the index number with the weightage of each item divided by the summation of the weightage. The weightage will be the importance of each item in a certain sector. So it can be in the form of numbers, ratios, percentage, reading on a bar chart or pie chart, and others. If we compare to the formula of the mean, it seems that these two formulas are quite similar. In statistics, mean is defined as the average of a group of data. Therefore, we can say that composite index is actually the average of the index number. Example 1 is an example from the textbook. The price index of 1 kilogram of 3 types of fruits sold in a store in year 2018 based on the year 2010 was 175, 120, and 160, respectively. Find the composite index of these fruits in the year 2018 based on the year 2010. This question we can say that it's not with any weightage. Therefore, we will assume that the weightage for each item will be the same and will be equivalent to 1. Therefore, by applying the formula of composite index, we will say that composite index will be equivalent to 175 multiply 1 plus 120 multiply 1 plus 160 multiply 1 and divided by 3, as we are having 3 items here. And easily with the help of calculator, we will get the answer, which is equivalent to 151.67. For example 2 is an example from the textbook 2. The table shows the expenditure of utility index of a factory in the year 2017 based on the year 2011. The pie chart here shows that the percentage of the usage in the month. We can say that the pie chart represents the weightage of these questions. And it shows that the weightage of the water is 17%, the weightage of the electricity, which is 58%, and the weightage for the fuel, which is 25%. And this will be the index, expenditure index for the utility which used by the factory in year 2017 based on year 2011. So the question is, find the composite index of the expenditure of the utility in the year 2017 based on the year 2011. Again, by using the composite index formula, we will say that by substituting the value of index for each utility items, we will have 135 multiplied 17 plus 140 multiplied 58 and plus with 125 multiplied 25 over the summation of the weightage, which is 17 plus 58 plus 25. And this will equivalent to 100, as this is the percentage. By using calculator again, we will easily get the answer, which is equivalent to 135.4. For example 3, the table shows the price index for 3 items L, M, and N that are used in the production of a type of cake. We can see that we have item L, M, N here, and this is the price index in the year 2010 based on the year 2008 for each item here. The cost of the items L, M, and N is in the ratio of 2 to 1 to 3. Find the composite index for the production cost of the cake for the year 2010 based on the year 2008. We can see that the composite index that you are required in this question is actually using the same year as the price index for each items. in the table. Therefore, we can just use the formula for our composite index, which is the summation of the product of index number multiplied with the summation with the weightage. And we can see that the weightage will be in the form of ratio, where the weightage of L is equivalent to 2, and the weightage for M is equivalent to 1, and the weightage for N will equivalent to 3. So by substitute the value of the price index and the weightage to the formula, I will have 120 multiplied 2 plus 115 times 1 plus 125 times 3 over 2 plus 1 plus 3. And I will get the answer, which is equivalent to 121.67. Next, for learning standard of 10.2.2, let's have a look at the clone SPM questions. The table shows the price index for the year 2017 and 2019 based on the year 2015 for flour, sugar, and butter used in making a type of biscuit. So you can see in the table here we have 3 contents, 3 ingredients, and we have in column 2 the price index for the year 2017, and for the third column will be the price index for year 2015, and both of them are based on 2015. So for the section A, the price for 1 kilogram of butter in the year 2015 is 20 ringgit, and the price in the year 2019 is 25 ringgit, as it involves the butter and it involves the year of 2015 and 2019, and therefore we are going to look for the value of X, which is the price index for the year 2019 based on the year 2015. So by using the formula of the price index, we will say that the X will be the index or the price index for 2019 based on 2015, and we will have price of 2019 based on price for 2015 multiplied with 100 equivalent to X. And by substitute the value or the ringgit for these 2 years, which is 25 ringgit over 20 ringgit multiplied 100, I will get my value of X, which is equivalent to 125. And the second question is the price of 1 kilogram of butter in the year 2017. So to get the price of the butter in the year 2017, we are going to refer to the price index for the year 2017 based on the year 2015, which is 120. So using the same formula for the price index again, I will say that 120 equivalents to price for 2017 over price of 2015 multiplied 100. As you can see here, the price for year 2015 is given in the question itself, which is 20 ringgit. So by substituting 20 ringgit into the formula, we will get the price for 2017, which is 120 multiplied 20 over 100, and we will get the value of price for 2017 will be 24 ringgit. Okay, let's continue with the section B of these questions. The composite index for the cost to make a tin of biscuit in the year 2017 based on the year 2015 is 113.75, as the given of the composite index is for the year 2017 based on year 2015. So we are going to concentrate on the second column, which is the price index for the year 2017 based on the year 2015. As we have studied earlier in this video, we have mentioned that the composite index is actually the average index for the certain items. So in this question, we have 3 items here, which means that the composite index will be the average for these 3 items. The price index, the average of the price index for these 3 items. Let's continue with the questions. The ratio of the flour, sugar, and butter used are 2 to K to 1. The ratio here will be represent the weightage of the ingredients. 2 will be the weightage for the ingredient flour, and K will be the weightage of the sugar, and 1 will be the weightage of the butter. And find the value of K, as we are given the composite index here and is mentioned clearly in the questions. So we're going to use the composite index formula to solve. So by substitute 113.75 as the composite index for the year 2017 based on year 2015, we will get 110, which is the price index for flour, multiplied with 2, which is the weightage for flour, add with the 115, the price index of sugar, multiplied with K, and plus 120, the price index for butter, multiply with 1 over by the summation of the ratio, which is 2 plus K plus 1. And by bringing the denominator to the other side of the equation, I will have 113.75 multiply 3 plus K. And by solving the value of 110 times 2 and the value of 120 times 1, we will have 340 and plus 115K. And therefore, by expanding this equation, this expression, we will have 115K minus 113.75K equals to 341.25 minus 340. By solving this algebraic equation, we will have 1.25K equals to 1.25. And easily we will get the value of K, which is equivalent to 1. And followed by the second part of these questions, the corresponding price of a tin of biscuit in the year 2015 if the price in the year 2017 is 60 ringgit. As is mentioned here, the price of 2015 and is given the price of 2017 here, which is equals to 60, which means we will still refer back to the same column here, but now we are not going to use all the price index here, as we are now talking about a tin of biscuit, the price of a tin of biscuit, which the biscuit is made by these 3 ingredients. So because of this, we are not going to refer anymore for any price index for these 3 items, but we are referring to the composite index here. So the composite index, as we know that is for making a tin of biscuit is 113.75. So by applying the index number or the price index, which is equivalent to 113.75, we will have the price of 2017 over price of 2015 multiplied with 100. So substitute the price for 2017, which is 60 ringgit, in the equation. Then I will have price of 2015, which is equivalent to 60 multiplied 100 divided by 113.75. And I will get my answer, which is equal to 52 ringgit 75 cents. So a reminder again to you that all the answers regarding Ringgit Malaysia, regarding any prices, must be in 2 decimal places. And we're followed by the next question, part C of these questions. Find the price index for 1 kilogram of sugar in the year 2019 based on the year 2017. As we can see in the table here, we are given price index 2017 based on 2015 and the price index for 2019 based on 2015. There's no price index for 2019 based on 2017. Therefore, we need to form the price index for 2019 based on 2017 by using these 2 price index. So because of we are talking about sugar, so let's just concentrate on the price index for sugar in year 2017 and also year 2019. So as we can see here, to get the price index for 2019 based on 2017, we will use the price index for 2019 based on 2015 divided by the price index of 2017 based on 2015. As we can see here, by using division or in simplifying the fraction, we can say that I can just simplify 2015 and 2015 here, and we will get the price index for 2019 base 2017. And remember, we need to multiply with 100 as price index if with 100. So we have the value of 120 over 115 multiply 100, and we will get the price index for 1 kilograms of sugar in year 2019 based on the year 2017, which is equivalent to 104.35. Here comes to the end of the learning standard of 10.2.1 and 10.2.2. Hope that you learned something from this video. Thank you.